Namaste Gurukulians, how are you all? Yes, fit and fine and doing practice at home regarding voices. In our previous lecture regarding voices, we completed our simple present tense having the sentences with simple sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentences. Okay. So, today we will do the practice of simple present tense regarding having the sentences which started with question words like why, which, where, when, like this. Same tense will be there, but the sentences will started with the question words. Okay. In simple present we are using do, not, do, does, not plus first form, then object in negative. In simple we use first form, right, and in passive form it will change into is, am, are, third form, by, then subject will change into object. Okay. This is the basic formation. So, today we will go the question words of simple present, right. Question word sentences of simple present, right, like example who, why, do you waste time. Okay. In the starting I just told you do or does is used as helping verb in simple present tense. So, today in question words like why, when, where, how, like this, they come in the beginning, right. After that there is your helping verb which is used in simple present tense in negative or in interrogative. This is your interrogative sentence, but it is starting with why. If we remove why, okay, do you waste time? Do you waste your time, you can say. So, that is your interrogative. We are adding why. Okay. So, this is your active voice example. This is your active voice example. Now, we have to change it. The basic structure of changing passive voice is the same. Object will come in the beginning, that will become your subject, then verb can change into according to the sentence, means here first form is there, is, am, are, and third form, then by, then subject change into object, same process, but these question words will remain on the same position, means at the beginning, why. Okay. This position can't be changed, why as it is, then is, do, does change into is, am, are, why is, helping verb change into helping verb, means do or does we change into is, am, are, why is, then, same process, okay, time, then verb, first form, in passive voice we will use third form, why is time wasted, then by, then you, means, so you is subjective case and what is the objective case of you? Yes. Have you done the table of the cases, subjective case, possessive case and objective case, dear students? Have you done? Okay. So, you is subjective case and you, your, you again is the objective case of you, and put question mark. This is your passive voice. Okay. We will take another example, right. When does he eat the mango? Suppose we are removing when. Does he eat the mango? It is an example of simple present of interrogative sentences. We use just when, means this is question word sentences, that is starting with when, where, why, which. When does he eat the mango? So, when will come as it is in the beginning, when. Then we will go with the helping verb. that will come after your question words. When? Does. Does is used according to he, but we have to focus on the object and use helping verb according to that object. The mango. So, when is, because mango is singular. Suppose there are 2 mangoes, then are will come as helping verb. When is the mango? Then third form, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten. Then why? Then your subject will change into object. He is subjective case. What will be the objective case of he? Yes, he, his, him, by him. Means what you have to do, you have to put just question work where it is in the sentence, means it is in the beginning. After that we have to apply our helping verb, then object will come in the place of subject, then your third form, then your preposition is the form of by, then your subject will come in the form of object. This is your question words of simple present. These things also come in on the next tenses also, like present continuous, present perfect, having with the question words. Okay. Now, we will do our today's tense, present continuous tense. You can also say present progressive tense, right. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are as helping verb, then V1 plus ing, then object. Okay. In simple sentences, present continuous, or you can say present progressive. Present progressive. Present continuous means the action is in the continuation form in present time. Suppose I am teaching you. I am teaching you and you are watching the video, you are getting the chapter regarding your voices. At present what we are doing? We are doing voices. At present means now. Okay. So, firstly we will go with simple sentences. You can say affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. What is the structure for it? What is the formation for it? Subject plus is plus am, are, V4 you can say, V1 plus ing you can say. Then your object, this is for your active voice, right. For passive voice, first of all what will we do? Object can come in the beginning and it change into subject, right. Then we will stop. When we are doing the voices of simple present tense, we change the first form into is, am, are, third form, right. You remember it? When we are doing the voices of simple present tense, there is the first form in the active voice, and when we change the first form in passive voice, we change first form into is, am, are, third form, right. But here already is, am, are as helping verb. Then can we change into was, were? No. Dear students, make it clear that when we are making voices, tenses never changed into past. Tense remain will same, but the formation will change only. Okay. So, object change into subject, then your helping verb will remain same, is, am, are. They do not change, is, am, are. Now, you are thinking that ma'am, you told us that in passive voice we used only third form. right? But we are using is MR V1 then ing. So, how can we use is MR V1 ing in passive? There is one word you have to use, being. What is that? Being. That is more important for you. For changing the voice of present continuous or it may be past continuous, you have to use being, B-E-I-N-G, with your respective helping verbs. And what our helping verbs are there, auxiliaries are there, is MR. Okay. So, in present continuous we use being and then V3, then V3. Okay. I am repeating once again, in simple present continuous tense we are using is MR as helping verb then V1 plus ing. But when we are changing these is MR V1 ing in passive voice, helping verb will remain the same, but one more word extra will come there, that is being, B-E-I-N-G, then V3, then your by, same process. The main focus should be here, is MR being, then by, then your subject will become your object. This is your passive voice. Okay. Now examples we will take. This is very easy for you, right? And we are using is with he. Suppose I am writing that we are using he, she, it, name and singular. We use is, and with I, you know very well, we use am. Now you, they, we, plural, we use are. Okay. So, now take the example. They are singing a song. Yes, try yourself. First of all, what is our subject? They. What is our object? A song. What is our helping verb? Are. Verb, V for first form plus ing. So, firstly what we will do? A song will come in the beginning. So, easy task is this beta. Okay. You have to go with the formation first of all, then try to make the sentences according to the changes. A song, right, main focus. They are, here are is used according to they, but a song is singular. So, what can come with singular things? Is or are? Is. A song is. When in our active voice there is ing with the main verb, what will we add? What is that extra word? That is being. Very good. Is being. Right? Students always get confused with been and being. Been and being. That been is used with has, have, had, and being is used with is, am, are, was, were. Okay. A song is being. What is the third form of sing? Sing, sang, sung. Then by. Very good. You are doing well. By. They is your subjective case. So, what will be the objective case of they? They, their, them. Good. By them. Your next example. We are helping him. Okay. We are helping him. So, now here you have to put your concentration, dear students. I wrote him as a subject, right. So, him is objective case and our object will change into subject. So, what is the subjective case of him? Yes, he. So, that him changes into he because it turns into your subject. He Okay. Now, are is used according to we, because with we, you, they plural we use are, but with he what we use? Is. Okay. But you have the habit to just copy this particular helping verb in active voice as well as in passive voice. No. So, you should not do like this. You have to focus on your subject and then try to use helping verb according to subject. Okay. He is. Then what we have to add? Being. Very good. He is being. What is the third form of help? Helped. Very good. By. By we. We is your subjective case. What is the objective case of we? Read that complete line. We, our, us, which is at the end, that is your objective case. Helped by us. Okay. One more example we will take. I am giving a pen to you. One more sentence. Okay. So, I am giving a pen to you. So, first of all tell me what is the subject, what is the object in this particular tense. Some students will go with to you. Why? Because ma'am to you is written at the end, and what is written at the end, it may be object. No. Okay. So, that is why I gave this particular example here to all of you. So, a pen means I am giving you a pen, right one. So, a pen will come in the beginning, a pen. Here am is used according to I am, but a pen, can we write am with a pen? Just think over it. No, a pen is. Then we use being or been. Being. What is the third form of give? Give, gave, given. There is two options to write. You can write a pen is being given to you by me, or a pen is being given by me to you. Two different ways to write. A pen is being given to you by me. Another way to write was alternative of this, by me to you. Okay, write this, you can also write. Okay, one more example regarding this. We are doing present progressive or present continuous passive voice cases. One more example regarding this. After that, we will do negative sentences of present continuous. Being is used with helping verb like is, am, are, right? And with he, she is name singular, we use is. You, we, they plural having are. And we have to focus the helping verb of passive voice according to object, whether the object is singular or plural. Go through your object likewise. One more example regarding this. She is playing the game. Okay. So, till now you got habitual of finding out the object. The game is your object, and the game, and then object change into your subject, the game. The game is singular or plural? That is singular. So, that is why we use is. What word will come here? Being. That is the main important word for you. Is being. Then V3, what is the third form of play? Play, played, played. then by. So then what is the objective case of she? She, her, her. Keep in your mind that table in which we learned how to change objective case into subjective and subjective case into objective. Right one. So now we will go with the negative sentences. In negative, not will come after helping verb. So easy for you. Negative sentences. Formation. Subject. What are the helping verbs being used in present continuous? Is, am, are. So not will come with that. Is, am, are plus not, then V1, ing, then is object. This formation is for active voice or passive voice? This is for active voice. So how will change into passive voice? Firstly, object will come in the beginning and that will become your subject. After that, we will use our helping verb. What are the helping verbs? Is, am, are the same in come in the passive voice. Is, am, are. Not will come. One word we have to add while we are changing the passive voice from active voice of present continuous. What is that word? Being or been? That is being. Very good. B-E-I-N-G. Then V3 always comes in passive voice. Then your by. Then subject will change into object. That is your passive voice. Okay. Just have a glance of one example. They are not making the food. Making the food. So what is the object here? The food. Yes. The food will come in the beginning and act as a subject. Okay. Now are is used according to they, because they is plural, but the food is singular or plural. Can we use are with the food? No, because the food represents a singular item here. The food is. I know that you will commit such kind of mistakes while you are getting the assignment regarding this. Okay. So be aware about these things. The food is, then not, then your being. What is the third form of make? Make, made, made. Is not being made, then by. After that what will come? Our subject change into object. They is our subject. So they is the subjective case. So what is the objective case of they? They, their, them. Very good. By them. Right. Next sentence. You are not doing your homework. Your homework. So here I want to ask a question to all of you, that your homework is complete is our object or homework is our object? Just think over it. Yes, your homework, right, is come in a whole form. Your homework, your homework. Are is used according to you. Can we use are with your homework? I think that there is in mind your is there. Your, ma'am, so are can come. No, we will use the helping verb according to homework, and homework is singular, right? Your homework is, then not, because we are doing negative sentence, is not, then being. Be aware about that being, not being. What is the third form of do? Do, did, done. Okay. Then by. So, what is the objective case of you? You, your, you, which is coming at the end means you. You again is the objective case of you. Okay. This is about your negative sentences of present continuous. In our next video, we will do the interrogative sentences of present continuous. Here I am giving you some sentences for practice at home. Okay. So, write these sentences. At the end of the beginning of the practice, you have to do the sentences in your notebook. Okay. Take it seriously. For practice. First one, he is making plans. He is making a plan. Okay. You are making a dish. They are not watching the TV. Fourth one, she is not helping us. Last, I am creating a new idea. Okay, you have to solve these sentences which are based on your present continuous, present progressive tense. So, till then, good luck students and have a nice day.